In this video, we will create Glassmorphism effect in Canva. Let's create. So open a blank video page, click on elements. Now select an image. Increase its size up to the size of the page, like this. Now click on File, Settings, Add Guides. Now select Custom. Here in columns, make it 0, margin 200, rows margin 120 pixel. Click on Add Guides. Now duplicate this, reduce its size to the inner section of guide. You can zoom in or zoom out to make necessary adjustments, like this. Now click on corner rounding. Here increase its value. Click on Edit, then in Effect select Blur. Now click on whole image, increase intensity, and it will appear like this. Now slide increase border weight. Now click here, pick this style color. Now duplicate this page. Select the bottom image and remove that. Click on Share and Download. Select PNG, Transparent. Select this current page. Done and download. It will be downloaded. Now click on Uploads. Upload the downloaded image. Now select this page. Delete this. Now click on Uploads. Add this uploaded image and place it here. Increase its size up to this rectangle. Now click on Edit, select Shadows, click on Drop, reduce blur amount. Reduce distance. Reduce intensity. Reduce this size. Increase this size. And it's done. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe. Thank you.